Hello guys and welcome on control panel overview of Haier Induction Hob. On the left side we have the button to turn on or off your appliance. Now there we have the Wi-Fi pair button. This one it's a full zone. This is a button for activate the varied cooking. There we have the display with the power. In the middle we have the child lock button, the timer and the pause number. This one on the left side is a melting button, and there we have a button to simmering. On the right side we have the button for the bowling, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.